Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to claim TikTok Shop coupons. This is very easy to do, so without wasting any time, let's jump into it. First, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So if you see an update button here, just tap on it and wait for it until it's updated. Once it's updated, just open the app, then go to your profile. Then tap on your orders button. When you're on this page, tap on coupons. As you can see, we don't have coupons here yet, so just tap on Get Coupons and Start Saving button. So here, you will be able to claim coupons just by tapping on this claim button. So for example, if you are planning to buy items worth over 1,500 pesos, you can use this coupon to save 250 pesos. So just tap on Use. Then you'll be able to choose the products that you want to buy here. And that's it. That's how you can simply claim coupons on TikTok Shop. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.